Macaroni. I'm a millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write, cause I ain't got time for my seconds, minutes, hours. Go to the almighty dollar in the almighty power of that chopper, sister, brother, son.